Welcome to NIA EduSkills, where admissions for the 2025-2026 academic year are now open. We offer comprehensive academic support for international curricula, including IB, British, American, and Indian systems. Our programs cover a wide range of subjects, from mathematics and physics to business and accountancy. Register now to secure your place and embark on a journey of academic excellence. At NIA EduSkills, we provide specialized school tuitions for IB, UK, US, and Indian curricula, along with writing assistance for IA, EE, and TOEIC. Our services are designed to meet international standards, ensuring students receive the best educational support. Register today to enhance your learning experience. The International Baccalaureate (IB) curriculum is renowned for its rigorous academic standards and focus on developing critical thinking skills. Let's delve into the various IB programs that cater to different age groups and learning needs. The IB offers a range of programs tailored to different age groups. The Primary Years Program, PYP, for ages 3-12, the Middle Years Program, MYP, for ages 11-16, the Diploma Program, DP, for ages 16-19, and the Career-Related Program, CP, for ages 16-19. Each program is designed to provide a broad and balanced education, fostering conceptual understanding and international mindedness. The IB Primary Years Program focuses on developing young learners' understanding of the world through inquiry-based learning. It covers subjects like arts, mathematics, and science, encouraging students to explore concepts such as who we are, and how the world works with an international perspective. The IB Middle Years Program is designed for students aged 11-16, emphasizing critical thinking and global awareness. It includes subjects like language acquisition, sciences, and mathematics, encouraging students to engage in community projects and personal development. The IB Diploma Program is a challenging educational framework for students aged 16-19, focusing on studies in language and literature, sciences, and mathematics. It includes the theory of knowledge and extended essay components, promoting creativity, action, and service. The IB Career-Related Program combines academic studies with career-related learning, preparing students for professional success. It includes reflective projects and language development, fostering personal and professional skills alongside diploma courses. The British curriculum, also known as the National Curriculum of England, is structured to provide a comprehensive education from early years to advanced levels. Let's explore its key stages and assessment methods. The British curriculum is divided into key stages, from early years to sixth form, covering ages 5-18. Each stage focuses on specific subjects and assessments, including GCSEs and A-levels, ensuring a well-rounded education. The British curriculum outlines key stages with corresponding year groups and assessments. From phonics tests in early years to GCSEs and A-levels in later stages, it provides a structured educational pathway for students. Various exam boards, such as AQA, Pearson EduSkills, and Cambridge Assessment, offer qualifications for students in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland, as well as international qualifications. These boards ensure standardized assessments and quality education. The American curriculum is designed to provide a flexible and comprehensive education system, catering to diverse learning needs. Let's explore its structure and key components. The American education system is divided into primary, secondary, and higher education levels, with a focus on academic, vocational, and general studies. It provides a pathway from daycare to university, ensuring a broad educational experience. The Indian curriculum offers a diverse educational framework, including CBSE, NCERT, ICSE, and ISC. Each board provides unique learning opportunities, fostering academic growth and development. The Indian education system is structured into primary, secondary, and higher education levels, with a focus on comprehensive learning. It includes various stages, from preschooling to higher education, ensuring a holistic educational journey. India's academic structure is evolving to include new pedagogical approaches, emphasizing experiential learning and flexibility. The new system aims to enhance educational quality and accessibility, preparing students for future challenges.